Hey, what's up, Chiliz holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Chiliz. You know what, my friends? The people ask me questions about Chiliz, that when will the price going to increase? Is the price increase in the June or not, my friends? In this video, I will answer your question. Keep watch this video till the end, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the Chiliz is 0.273916 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chiliz. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Chiliz, so the price changes is going wrong. But now I know at this time the last 1 hour price is positive, but yesterday the price is fast down, and the previous month the price is also fast down for some time. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, my friends, the previous time, that is the last 1 month, last 30 days price chart of the Chiliz. And from the last 1 month price chart of the Chiliz, that's clear that the price is fast down. And as I told you that yesterday the price is going to move, but unfortunately after some passage of time the price start again falls down. So my friends, from the last 1 month price chart, Chiliz is fast down, so that's mean that you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What do you think about Chiliz move? Tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.